we go. Hey everybody, welcome back to another homeowner episode. Today's episode, besides shaking the hell out of the camera, is going to be something on a very manly subject. As you have been able to tell from all the past episodes, I am a mountain of a man. I am about 6'7", 6'8", 350, 360 pounds, give or take. When I take off all my insulated stuff, you know, and my boots, 6 foot 180, give or take, depends on the season. But anyways, the manly topic for today is taking care of your vacuum. And why is that manly? Because I'm in the wood shop right now, son. And what do you do in a wood shop? You make stuff out of wood. And I have a floor that's all hardwood. And I take care of my hardwood floor. And in order to take care of my hardwood floor, I have to vacuum. So I do a manly job and I vacuum. I'm gonna show you how to take care of your vacuum. It's really, really easy. Okay, here we go. So we have a vacuum, and of course I have a shark vacuum, because what's better than a shark? Nothing! You know, it's all full of stuff, so I usually empty it out every single time I vacuum. So that would be, you know, number one, right here. Boop. So we're gonna empty it, it's real easy. Wow, wasn't that something, Clark? Wasn't that something? Now, everybody thinks, oh, that's all you have to do. Well, there's filters, so these filters are actually white. So you have to clean out these filters. In addition to that, the biggest thing you can do is, you see where there's rubber gaskets? You need to clean those rubber gaskets. There's ones on the inside of your lid, ones on the outside that connect to where the canister attaches, one to where your hose attachment is, and of course one, oh dear God, on the lid. So wherever there's a rubber gasket, you need to clean that out. Why is that important? Well, it's a very good question. Whew. You need to clean it out because, oh yeah, because if you don't, that dirt, that dust, that's gonna stay in there and you won't have a good seal. And if you don't have a good seal, you're gonna have dust leakage. So everything that you vacuumed out of the couch, off the floor, off your bed, off the chair, off the cats if you have them, that's gonna go through your vacuum, and then it's gonna find that little hole because you didn't clean out that gasket. Way to go, Jim. And then instead of going into your vacuum, it's gonna get spit back out into your house, except now it's airborne. Then it's gonna get in your lungs. And you know what happens after that? People die. So we're gonna clean it out and clean it out well. Usually you can just use water. I'm lazy, I don't wanna wait for it to dry. So I use compressed air. So I take everything apart and I spray it off because I like seeing it clean. I'm in a wood shop, so it's okay to be a little dusty. If you were doing this in your house, you'd be a fool. Fool. But now the color is a bit different, so that's good. So that's our first filter. Our second filter. Okay, so that's good too. 2 filters cleaned. Did I just distribute the dust everywhere else? Yeah, but I'm pretty much outside. I stuck you in a garbage can. Before, dirty. Huh. Was that necessary? Absolutely not. Was it fun? Absolutely it was. So now it's clean. Is it completely spotless? No. For God's sakes, it's a vacuum. I'm not a doctor. But now I won't have any leakage when I vacuum. It's nice and clean. If I wanted it super duper clean, I would also take a wet rag and clean all of the gaskets just to be doubly sure. But again, I'm lazy. I don't want to wait. So here's what it looks like all nice and clean because I'm a man. So the filter's better. That gasket's better. I should wipe it down because there's still some dust. I tried to scrape it off. It won't come off. And of course on my canister, that's much more cleaner. Perfect? No. Do I get it perfect out here with compressed air? No. And if you notice, that was just a little bit of the dust that came out of it. So boys and girls, I hope you learned a little bit of how to clean your vacuum because you are a man. Men vacuum. You have to take care of your floor. You have to take care of your house. So you take care of your vacuum. Nothing's more manly than a man who can vacuum like a man. But thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you learned a little bit. This was common sense video and a bit silly, and I wanted to do it just for fun. So if you like it, good. And if not, well, it just means you're not a man because you don't like vacuuming. Joking. But thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time. Bye.